What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today is a beautiful day. Oh, look at that. We finally have some proper weather. We've been dealing with a lot of rain lately, and this is just so nice in the evening. Beautiful sunset and a beautiful red Audi RS3 to match. This is the development car of DVX Performance, a Belgian tuning company. We've driven their RS3 sedan before, the blue one, and a TTRS as well, which both those cars were amazing. So today we've got their development RS3 with 700 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. This was a completely built RS3 with 800 horsepower, but they recently sold that engine. So they are going to bring us more cars in the future, which is awesome. Really nice guy. And today we're going to check out this RS3. So like I said, we're going to do more of their cars in the future. So make sure you subscribe if you want to check those out. And if you enjoy the video, please leave a like. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And of course, check out DVX on Instagram. And you can also follow us on Instagram if you like. So I'm going to walk around it, show you a couple of the modifications on this car. And then we'll take it for a drive towards the completely empty Autobahn. At least that's what we're hoping, but it was super empty earlier, so should be fun. All right, so red RS3, pretty cool spec, all that black stuff, all the black stuff in the bumpers, Quattro badge. I'm going to go through it a bit quickly because we've done a lot of RS3s already. Black grille, black logos, cool. Wheels and suspension, we've got H&R ultra low springs. And we've got these OZ Racing Super Turismo LM Evoluzione wheels, 20-inch, very nice wheel. The car sits really low though. It's a bit too low because we do have some rubbish in here. Yeah, it's a bit too low to be perfect, but I do really like this wheel. Very, very nice. And we've got, are those ceramic brakes? Yeah, they are. Carbon ceramics as well. That is also very nice. Black. Yeah, you can see how low that is. I mean, can't even get that key in there. Super low. And we've got a full race exhaust by Miltech, completely open decat, and we also have two little silencers in there, which means that it's actually very drivable and it's not too loud, which is a risk running these decat cars. So we've got this beautiful carbon fiber integrated engineering intake. We've got 1000cc MPI injectors. We've got a fortified engine, and we've got a DVX 750 hybrid turbo. So that all amounts to that 700 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque, which is on map 3, which is with 102 octane fuel. So if you have 95 octane, it's 570 horsepower. If you have 98 octane, it's 640. And with 102, the good juice, it's 700 horsepower. But this is super nice, actually. The way that this all fits, really beautiful intake. And of course, a little bit of carbon fiber from Audi as well. But that is a super nice setup. So let's take a look inside, although there's not really that much to look at because it's the regular boring interior of an A3, which is the quality is good, it's just a bit boring in my opinion. We do have a nice steering wheel, I have to say that. So with the Alcantara stuff, no start button right here, as you know, that's just for the TTRS. Would have been cool for the RS3 as well, but I guess it's also cool that this is something you only get with the TTRS. And an R8, of course. So we'll start it up. We do have a tire pressure monitor, sensor failure, whatever. But we checked, everything is okay, so should be fine. Dynamic, so valves open. I'll give it a little rev. Very nice sound. Not too crazy. Very, very nice. Okay, so let's find out what this heavily tuned 2.5 liter 5-cylinder beast feels like right now, because of course we've driven a lot of tuned RS3s and TTRSs, but every time we drive them they have something that sets them apart. So we're going to turn right here and floor it. Oh, that is quick. So we have to turn off ESP or traction control, ESC. It's so torquey. It's an amazing engine, this, especially, you know, in these small cars, TTRS, RS3, it really feels like small car, big engine, which is a very cool feeling. So with this tuned version, that's even more true, you know, small car, big engine, because with this 5-cylinder, oh, you really have to hold on. But that's also because they kind of use the Ferrari principle with this car, which is you get a very good engine, an amazing engine, and the rest, you know, you get that for free. Oh, because the rest of the car, the RS3, I mean, it's not that impressive. It's just, it's a cool looking thing, and it's cool that they put the 5-cylinder in there, but dynamically speaking, even with these H&R springs, it's nothing special really. It's not that entertaining. And I mean, if you would drive a 700 horsepower BMW M2, completely different story. It's just not that entertaining. It's really good at covering distance, you know, it's pretty comfortable, and it's freaking fast as hell. But is it entertaining? Not really. Just because it's so fast, of course it's entertaining, but not handling wise. Alrighty, so here we go on the Autobahn. Oh, holy moly, that thing pulls. So, as I suspected, it is completely empty. And you can feel the car moving around a little bit. I think that's also because of those bigger wheels and the H&R springs. But it just keeps going. Oh my god. That is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, and it's so quiet. I love it. I absolutely love it. Those decat non-resonated cars that we sometimes get. I mean, I get that it's fun. I get it, but it is so exhausting. And this just performs so crazy, and it does so with a beautiful 5-cylinder soundtrack. It's just a good sound. You can hear the turbo, you can hear that turbo sound, you can hear the whistle, the blow off. And I mean, this engine is just a gem. It is so freaking gorgeous. Man, it is. The word ridiculous, I know I overuse the word ridiculous, but this is ridiculous. Driving 322 in an RS3 in that short of a distance. And it's completely drivable as well. If you're a bit gentle with the throttle, you don't have that massive turbo like boost that you get when you floor it. Oh my god, it is perfectly drivable. And I hope that Audi will keep this engine for a long time. We also measured the 100 to 200, of course, like we always do, and it did a 6.25 run, which is super quick. It is actually quicker than a Lamborghini Aventador S. I mean, that is pretty insane. It is such a crazy engine, this, and the way it just performs like it's nothing, you know, it's no sweat. It's perfectly happy to do so. As I said, I really hope that Audi keeps this. The new RS3 also has this engine with 450 horsepower. And I really hope that they will keep it as long as they can. I don't think it will go any quicker than that, 322. Maybe if you have, you know, 5 kilometers straight, you would be able to do a little more, but absolutely insane. Just so easy. So I'm going to end this review here. Thank you so much, Davey at DVX, for taking your car to us and letting us have a go. To you guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle so you never miss a new upload. You can also check this video on the right or go check out this playlist on the left. Thanks so much. See you at the next one. Bye.